you turn the dial and you know you're shooting a video like this, you walk away. Just double check what you're doing. Sometimes guys they turn the dial in again, and if you hit the piece, it comes out and hits you. But we're gonna make some peace now. Here, watch this. That's about a 40 thousandths cut, which is decent for a machine like this. You have a bigger machine, more rigid, you can take bigger cuts. I mean, this machine probably only weighs, I'd say probably about 200 pounds. So you're limited to what you can do. But you can still, you know, do a decent job with it. Now we'll take a measurement of it with the calipers. Always wipe off your piece here. You know, you want accurate measurements. You know, all it takes is a little chip in there, and you check on that chip and you're off by whatever. All right, so we're at 1.840. We'll make one more cut. Another thing with this aluminum, see, it's warm. It's warm, but it's good. The problem with the aluminum, if you get it too hot, it turns into gum. Especially when you're drilling. Not so much when you're turning or boring, but it'll do a number on your tool. So I'd say you're better off just being a little more conservative. Take that extra time. We'll take another 40 thousandths cut. Just walk it in here though, just to make sure. Oh, we're good. Okay. Little lead in. Hit it with some coolant. Can you see where she stuttered a little bit? That's what you get with a 3/4 horsepower lathe. I mean, if this was a bigger rigid machine, I could blast this all out in one cut. Like nothing. Okay. So